Welcome to the Soya Says podcast. This is the first episode. When I wrote my first blog and started blogging over 10 years ago, I was wondering what should the blog be called. I named it Soya Says because a lot of my closed ones call me Soya, and Says because the language of my blog is typically conversational. But when podcasts became a thing, I started to wonder if Soya Says should really be a blog or a podcast because in the blog, end of the day, Soya is writing. Soya is not saying anything. So here we are, the first episode of the Soya Says podcast, where Soya is actually saying, as you can clearly hear. Although I must clarify, most of my podcasts are going to simply be the audio version of my blogs. And my blogs are already available on my personal website, shoaibqureshi.in. Now, my first blog was about blogging itself. So it's only fitting that my first podcast should briefly talk about podcasting. And here's the question. The Soya Says naming convention aside, why do a podcast to begin with? Actually, I have been eyeing on starting a podcast for some time now. And this whole coronavirus situation has helped me find the time to start one. At this point, I would also like to mention some of the stats that I came across around podcasting. These stats, especially when compared with the previous year's data, confirm that podcasting is a niche rising platform, and I was totally sold to get on it. So let me share some of these stats. Let me quickly pull it up. So, as of 2020, there are over 850,000 podcasts out there. Can you believe that? Podcasts are available in over 100 languages. The top 5 genres of podcasts are society and culture, business, comedy, news and politics, and finally, health. I firmly believe that all meaningful content out there can broadly be described as either education or entertainment. If you see these top 5 genres, it perfectly reflects that. So here I am, jumping on the podcasting bandwagon. The video version of these podcasts will also be available on my YouTube channel, that is youtube.com/soyatubes, while this podcast will be distributed through anchor.fm on all popular podcasting platforms like Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, Spotify, and others. My anchor URL is anchor.fm slash soya says. And if you are ever lost, you can always find me on my website shoaibqureshi.in. Now, I know a podcast can sound alluring and something that is easy to start but hard to maintain, especially after all these work from home provisions are over and this coronavirus situation settles. But I still feel pretty confident about carrying this on, especially considering I have several blogs that I can easily talk about and reach audience through this audio platform. Here's the promise that I want to make. I made a similar one when I started my blog, and that was not to get too technical or too philosophical and trying to keep things simple and light. So, this spirit from my blog should carry on to my podcast as well. And finally, as always, suggestions, complaints, comments, insults, everything is absolutely welcome. I am looking forward to it. Thank you and have a nice day.